Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you've already earned over £400. That's before you've even had your morning coffee. This isn't some far-fetched dream or a lottery win. It's a tangible goal, roughly $500 a day. The year is 2024. By 2026, this could be your reality. Passive income means your income isn't tied to hours worked. It means freedom to choose how you spend your time, traveling the world, spending more precious moments with your family, pursuing that hobby you've pushed aside, creating a life on your own terms. This guide is your roadmap. 10 proven passive income streams to reach about £400 a day. No jargon, no get-rich-quick schemes. Practical, actionable strategies to start today. Not luck, building systems. We'll cover investing, digital products, and one strategy with zero upfront cash. My goal: clarity and confidence to build your portfolio step by step. We'll use a simple hook value CTA stack. Hook, the £400 a day promise. Value, 10 actionable ideas. CTA, clear next steps. Introducing InvesYou, your community and resource hub. Templates, trackers, mentorship. The 10 ideas are diverse to fit different skills, risks, and starting capital. Dividend and index investing, rental arbitrage, niche digital products, affiliate marketing with zero capital, automated e-commerce, stock media royalties, subscription microbusinesses, peer-to-peer lending, selling automation services, licensing your own intellectual property. We've mapped a path for everyone. Watch for idea number 4. It requires no money to start. This is a blueprint for financial independence. Let's get started on building the life you deserve. Our first idea is the bedrock of long-term wealth: dividend and index investing. This isn't a flashy get-rich-quick scheme. It's the slow, steady, and incredibly powerful way to make your money work for you. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in a small seed, your initial investment, and over time it grows into something substantial that provides shade and fruit year after year. Dividends are those fruits. They are small payments that companies give to their shareholders. Index funds let you buy a tiny piece of the entire market. S&P 500, FTSE 100, spreading your risk and capturing overall market growth. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Starting is simpler than you think. You don't need to be a stock market wizard in a fancy suit. Open a stocks and shares ISA or a general investment account. Vanguard, Hargreaves Lansdown, free trade. You can start with as little as £25 a month. The key is consistency. Do this now. Pick a platform and open an account. It takes about 15 minutes. Then set up a recurring monthly deposit. Choose a low-cost, broad market index fund. A global all-cap index gives you a piece of thousands of companies worldwide. Now, let's talk numbers. Historical average return is around 8 to 10% per year. With dividends reinvested, compounding becomes powerful. This won't get you £400 a day next week, but it builds a massive foundation. Example: $500 a month for 10 years at 8% could grow to over $90,000. That portfolio can generate thousands in passive income yearly. To make it truly passive, use a robo-advisor. Nutmeg, Wealthify in the UK, US, such as Schwab Intelligent Portfolios and Vanguard Digital Advisor. Canada, Wealthsimple Invest, RBC Investees. They automatically invest based on your risk tolerance and rebalance for you. Investing on autopilot. Quick word on tax. In the UK, a stocks and shares ISA is a no-brainer. Invest up to £20,000 per year. Gains and dividends tax-free. Huge advantage. Use it. Outside an ISA, dividend allowance. Capital gains tax allowance. But keep it inside the tax-free wrapper to simplify and maximize returns. This strategy is a fundamental pillar of building a rich life. It works silently in the background while you sleep, eat and live. Let's move on to something more hands-on, with the potential for much faster cash flow. Rental arbitrage for short-term lets. In simple terms, rent on a long-term lease, then re-rent on Airbnb or booking for short stays at a higher nightly rate. You profit from the difference between monthly rent and guest income. You don't need to own the property. It's like being a hotelier without the multi-million-dollar cost. Tap into tourism and business travel markets. First step: find the right property. Do your homework. Look for high-demand areas, city centers, tourist attractions, university areas, major business hubs. Use AirDNA to analyze nightly rates and occupancy in a postcode. Find a landlord open to this arrangement. Be transparent. Create a professional proposal showing benefits: guaranteed rent, professional cleaning, immaculate property care. Treat it like a business partnership. Crunching numbers. Example time. Rent a 2-bedroom flat for $500 a month. Charge $120 per night on Airbnb. At 70% occupancy, 21 nights. Revenue, charge $25.20. Subtract rent $1,500 and expenses, cleaning, utilities, and platform fees, charge $400. Net profit $620 per month from one property. That's real monthly cash flow. Key to passive income: automation. Don't answer messages at 2 a.m. or rush to fix taps. Build a system. Smart locks for keyless entry. Reliable cleaning service for turnovers. Automated messaging tools like Your Porter or Guesty. Once one property runs smoothly, replicate it. Scale to 2, 3, or 10 properties to push toward the $400 day goal. Now for the one you've been waiting for. Idea number 4 is how you start making money with absolutely zero upfront capital. This is the affiliate content and micro-audience strategy. Here's how it works. Choose a niche you're interested in. Create helpful content on free platforms. Recommend products or services you genuinely trust. When someone purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It costs nothing but your time and consistency. You are the trusted guide, not the product seller. This is the ultimate level playing field. Your first 30 days are crucial. Here's your step-by-step plan. Day 1. Choose your niche. Home coffee brewing, sustainable fashion, budget travel. Make it specific. Day 2 to 7. Set up free platforms. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Day 8 to 30. Create and post content relentlessly. Make short, valuable video clips. Example: 30-second French press video. 3 mistakes you're making with your French press.
Provide real value. End with, the French press I use is linked in my bio. The French press I use is linked in my bio.
Building trust is everything. You can't spam links. Build a micro-audience by showing up and giving value. Use an 80-20 framework. 80% pure value, tips, tutorials, reviews, and 20% soft pitches. Repurpose across platforms. Post the same video to all 3. Use free tools like CapCut to edit on your phone. So, how do you make real money? Let's be realistic. You won't make $500 a day in the first month, but you can absolutely earn your first $100. Find affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is easiest. If your niche is software, many companies have their own affiliate programs with higher commission rates. If 20 people buy a $25 product at 10% commission, 20 people buy a $25 product at 10% commission, that's $50. As your audience grows from hundreds to thousands, income becomes consistent. Scaled over time, this becomes a significant income stream built from your knowledge and effort. Scaling to £400 a day, your blueprint for growth. Reaching the target of $400 a day, or roughly $146,000 a year, in passive income by 2026 requires a clear strategy for scaling. It's not just about starting, it's about growing. The key to scaling any passive income stream is through automation and outsourcing. At the beginning, you will be doing most of the work yourself. You'll be the one writing the affiliate content, designing the digital products, or answering guest messages for your Airbnb. But to grow, you must systematically replace yourself. Your goal is to evolve from being the worker into being the owner of the system. This mindset shift is absolutely essential. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine your affiliate content business is now making £500 a month, but it's taking up 10 hours of your week. You can now afford to outsource. Go to Upwork, go to Fiverr, and hire a freelance video editor for £10 an hour. You can record all your video clips in one batch. They can handle the editing, captioning, and even posting. This might cost you £200 a month, but it frees up 8 hours of your time. You've effectively bought back your time, which you can now invest in starting a new income stream, like building a print-on-demand store. This is how you leverage your earnings to multiply your efforts. Setting clear growth milestones will keep you on track. Your first goal might be to hit $110 a day, $50 from a rental property, $20 from index fund dividends, $20 from digital product sales, and $20 from affiliate commissions. Once you reach that milestone, you celebrate the win and then set the next target, $200 a day. Perhaps you achieve your goal by adding a second rental property or by launching a successful subscription community. Each milestone provides proof the system is working. Breaking the $500 a day goal into these smaller steps makes the journey far less intimidating. Ultimately, scaling is about building robust systems. Use automated messaging. Use email marketing automation. Use auto-invest features. Create standard operating procedures so that you can hand them off. The more you can systemize, the more you can scale. This is the final step. Your role is no longer to do the work, but to be the architect of the machine that generates income for you, day in and day out, moving you inexorably towards that goal of financial freedom. We've covered a lot of ground together, exploring 10 distinct paths that can lead you to the goal of earning £400 a day in passive income. This isn't just a number. It represents freedom, choice, and the power to design your own life. Dividend and index investing. Rental arbitrage. Niche digital products. The zero capital affiliate content strategy. Automated e-commerce. Stock media royalties. Subscription micro-businesses. Peer-to-peer lending. SaaS-lite. And licensing your intellectual property. These are proven business models. It's about finding the one that resonates with you and taking that first step. Information without action is just entertainment. This is your 90-day action plan to go from reader to earner. But the journey can be challenging. You'll face obstacles, you'll have questions, and sometimes you'll feel like you're doing it all alone. This is why we created InvesYou. It's the final piece of the puzzle. The support system to accelerate your progress. It's the call to action I promised at the start. InvesYou isn't just another course. Inside you'll find practical tools, downloadable templates, spreadsheets, checklists, and detailed trackers. More important is the community. You get accountability, mentorship, and a network of people on the exact same journey. This community is your unfair advantage. The goal is ambitious, but it is absolutely achievable. You have the blueprint. You have the first steps. Click the link in the description to join us at InvesYou. Don't let this just be another video you watched. Let this be the moment your financial future changed. Start building your rich life today. We are here to help you succeed.